Which Discovery channel on YouTube TV is best? YouTube TV provides access to Discovery-affiliated channels offering a variety of programming. The best Discovery channel depends on your interests. Here's a breakdown. 1. Discovery Channel. Content. Focuses on science, technology, exploration, and reality-based programming. Popular shows include Mythbusters, Deadliest Catch, and Gold Rush. 2nd, Animal Planet. Content. Dedicated to animal documentaries and shows. Popular shows include The Zoo, Crikey, It's the Irwins and Pitbulls and Paralise. 3rd, HGTV. Content. Home improvement, real estate, and renovation shows. Popular shows include Fixer Upper, House Hunters, and Property Brothers. 4. Food Network. Content. Cooking shows, food competitions, and culinary inspiration. Popular shows include Chopped, Diners, Drive-Ins and Dives, and Beat Bobby Flay. Ainda o DLC, T-Learning Channel. Content. Reality TV and lifestyle programming. Popular shows include 90 Day Fiancé, My 600-Pound Life, and Dr. Pimple Popper. 6th, Investigation Discovery, ID. Content. True crime and mystery programming. Popular shows include Homicide Hunter, Evil Lives Here, and Disappeared. Best Discovery Channel by category. Adventure and Exploration, Discovery Channel. Animal Lovers, Animal Planet. Home Improvement, HGTV. Food Enthusiasts, Food Network. Reality Drama, TLC. True Crime, Investigation Discovery, ID. Inspirational Stories, OWN, DIY and Lifestyle, Magnolia Network.